This course is about conflict assessment and how the more we understand about conflict, the better able we are to plan peace-building efforts that actually address the root causes of conflict. Because often people rush to the solution before they fully understood what the issues are or what's causing the system, the social system, to be in conflict, to produce violence and this type of thing. So this class looks at a wide range of lenses or ways, tools and lenses that help us understand what conflict is about, who the stakeholders are, what their motivations, their worldview, their perceptions are, as well as what sorts of power or means do they have to carry out conflict or violence. It looks at the timeline of conflict, sort of the symbolic moments in history that have shaped the present moment. And it sort of combines in a sort of comprehensive way a variety of different lenses and tools to then put together what a particular person or organization could do given their own capacity and their own skills and their own relationships with particular stakeholders or their own entry points into the conflict to figure out what type of peace-building effort is that person or organization capable of, what is their best opportunity to pursue peace within that context that they're operating. The course looks at conflict at a variety of different levels, everything from the interpersonal level of conflict within families or within organizations to the broader community level conflict to social, national, international conflict. So we look at case studies at each of those levels and look at how the lenses, looking again at psychology, economics, political science, sociology, the whole range of sort of disciplinary perspectives and these different lenses or tools that we use those at each of these levels and in many different kinds of case studies. So we'll look at organizational conflict and how office mates arguing over office space or offices can think about what some of the root causes are, not only the physical space that they might be in conflict over, but also their egos and their position within the organization and how a variety of factors usually come together to create a conflict. We also look at macro level conflicts in Afghanistan, Iraq, Somalia, Sudan, much larger issues and very complex systems where conflict is happening, trying to understand and sort of see them in different perspectives, so we might figure out what could a particular person or organization do to try to move or transform the system where that conflict is happening.